Good morning, children. In the last class you have learned the exercise 1. Now let us see the next topic is method of numeration. The next topic is method of numeration. In the method of numeration we are having two systems. We are having two systems. One is Indian system of numeration and another one is international system of numeration. We are having two types of systems. One is Indian system of numeration and another one is international system of numeration. Indian system of numeration is also known as Indo-Arabic system. Indian system of numeration is also known as Indo-Arabic system. Okay children, do you understand? Now in the international system means this currency is used, our currency means Indians, we are the Indians now, so we will use Indian system. Other countries, children, they will use international system. Other country people, they use international system. Okay, we are Indians, so that's why we are using Indian system. Already in those previous videos, already I refer. Again, I am revising for you. Okay. Now let us see the place value for Indian system. Place value chart for Indian system. Okay. Place value chart for Indian system. Here we are having 4 periods. Here we are having 4 periods. In the first period we are getting units. In the second period we are getting thousands. In the third period we are getting lakhs. In the fourth period we are getting crores. Okay, how many periods we are having? 4 periods. Units, thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay. Now let us see units. In the units period we are having 3. What are those? Units. Units are also known as ones. You can call ones. Okay. We can call ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. In the first period we are getting ones, tens, hundreds. Next, second period means thousand. With thousands we are getting thousand, 10,000. With thousand we are getting 2. What are those? Thousand, 10,000. Next, lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. In the next period what you are getting? Crores. Crores we will see. Crores, 10 crores. After crores we are not having, so that's why we have to increase. See, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores, 1000 crores. Like that we have to write. Okay, do you understand the place value chart? How many periods do you have? We have 4 periods. One is units, thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, now let us see the sums. See the exercise 1.2 first sum. Exercise 2 1.2. See the first one. What is the question they have given? Write each of the following in numeral form. Write each of the following in numeral form. Read the question 2-3 times now. Write each of the following in a numeral form. Numeral form means they have given in spelling. Now we have to write in number. Okay. Now let us see the first one. In the first one, first sum. 60 crores, 75 lakhs, 92,500 and 2. See the question Nana. 60 crores, 75 lakhs, 92,502. So here they given in word form. Now we have to write in numeral form. Okay. Now let us see. So what is the first one up to where the highest place value they given? Crores. So see here 60 means up to which place value we have to write? We have to write the place value up to 10 crores. So write the place values. We have to start from the right side. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, write 75 lakhs. Next, 92,000. So in the thousands place we have to write 92,000. Next, 500. In the hundred place we have to write 5. Next, and 2. Means in the tens place there is no number, no, so write your 0. And in the ones place you have to write 2. So keep the commas. Already we know, no, first three numbers after we have to keep the first comma. After thousand period we have to keep another comma. After lakhs period we have to keep the another comma. Okay, now let us see once again. Have you written correct or wrong? Check your answer. 60 crores, 75 lakhs, 92,502. Okay, do you understand? Let us see the second sum. Second sum. 944 crores, 6 lakhs, 92, 50, 5,000, 400, and 86. Okay, now see the sum. 944 crores, 6 lakhs, 55,486. Now write the place values. Up to where we had to write? We had to write up to 100 crores. Okay, 100 crores. We had to write up to 100 crores. So write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. Okay, now let us see. 900. In the 100 place we had to write here 9. 44 crores. 44 crores. 6 lakhs. In the lakhs we are having only 6. So it means 10 lakhs place we had to keep 0. 6 lakhs. 55,000. 55,000. 400. In the place 486. 86. So keep the commas. First three numbers of first comma. After thousand period give the second comma. Lakhs period after we have to keep the third comma. Okay? Do you understand? Go to the next sum. In the first sum you are having the third one. That sum do the homework. See the second one. Insert commas in the correct position to separate period and write the following numbers in words. Insert commas. They given one number. For that number we had to give first commas in the correct position to separate periods. For we had to separate the periods, we had to keep the first commas. Okay. Write the following number in words. Now let us see the first sum. What is the first number they given? 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 5, 6, 0. Okay. For this number we had to first write the commas. So write the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay. Now keep the commas. First three numbers after keep the first comma. After two numbers we had to miss thousands place after period after we had to keep the second comma. After third period after lakhs we had to keep the next comma. Okay. Now write in words. Okay. Now let us see. 5 is in which place? Crores place. So 5 57,560. Okay, see 5,56,57,560. Okay, do you understand, children? So see the next sum. Nine, seven, two, 5, 6, 7, 7, 5, 6, 1, 3. So write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Next, 100 crores. Next, 1,000 crores. Okay? Do you understand? Now, let us keep the first commas. After first three numbers, we had to fill the first comma. 1,000 period, we had to keep the second comma. Lakhs period, we had to keep the third comma. Okay? Now, let us write in words. Now, 9 is in which place? 1,000. So, 9,000. 700. 25 crores. 67 lakhs. 75,000. 600 and 13. Okay, do you understand? Once again I am repeating. See, 9,000, 72, 700, 25 crores, 67 lakhs, 75,613. Okay, do you understand? Now let us see the next sum. Third one. See the third one. Write the following in expanded form. Write the following in expanded form. Here we have to write in expanded form. First, what is the number they given here? 756,723. For this number we had to write in expanded form. Okay. Now first write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay. Now keep the commas. After first three numbers we had to keep the first comma. After 1,000 period we had to keep the second comma. Now write the number in expanded form. Now 7 is in which place? Lakhs place. So 7 into 1 lakh plus 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 5 into 10,000 plus 6 is in which place? 1,000 place. 6 into 1,000 plus 7 is in which place? 100 place. 7 into 100 plus 2 is in which place? Tens place. 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Okay, do you understand how I expanded the number? Now, for this number we had to write in word form also. So, write in word form. Word form. See, 7 is in which place? Lakhs place. So, 7 number we have to extend like this. Okay children, in the next class we'll continue some more sums. Thank you.